Thank you and welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can opt out from monthly rental income tax filing obligation in case you are a landlord or a property manager. In some instance, you happen to shift the ownership of your property and you no longer receive the rental income, and you need to opt out or cancel the MRI obligation. What you're supposed to do basically, just get into the iTax portal and then come to where we have registration. Then come to where we have monthly rental income. Come to where we have MRI cancellation. Then choose here and select your obligation, the applicant type as taxpayer. Then click next. After clicking next, you'll be taken into this interface, which is named opt-out landlord registration. Then scroll downward. Then you need to enter some basic detail here. You need to enter the monthly rental income declared in the last month. I declared 0 since it was an erroneous occurrence. So I also need to enter the current rental income, which is input as 68,000. Then from there, I need to choose a supportive document here. So the supportive document which I choose is the one which is explaining that the application was erroneous. So I'll just come here and choose that document. So let me get here and choose and check for MRI. So I can choose this one, which is a Word document. Then after doing that, I can choose to submit. So I can download the acknowledgement letter here, and it is telling me that this is to inform you that the taxpayer has requested for registration as opted out with Kenya. So this is how we usually do it. So dear taxpayer, your application as opted out has been received. So now that after the review by the taxman, I can be opted out as a landlord in case you have submitted a valid reason. So you need here, you need to submit a valid reason on the reason for cancellation of that obligation which you want to be opted out from. So you must ensure that you have input the correct supportive document to show that maybe you no longer own that property, or you have shifted the property management to another party, and you are no longer liable to file for the MRI. So that is basically how we opt out from you can opt out from the monthly rental income obligation. In case you have any query regarding management of property, income tax, filing of return and VAT, you can technically reach me using the contact in the description. So thank you for watching.